Hello and welcome. In today's episode, I'm going to work on a floor plan that a lady sent me to help her out because she hired someone to do it and it didn't come out the way she wanted it. So I had to touch up and fix a couple of things for her. And this is also what she sent me, kind of her idea, what she envisioned for the house. So this is basically what I came up with. It's a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom house close to their design, and the house is about 1,300 square feet, a little bit more than 1,300, and there's a garage that is 12 by 20. So it's a small garage, but it's better than, I guess, no garage. And the plan that she sent forth, the car would literally not fit in that garage, so I had to change a couple of things, but no big deal, easily fixed. So that's a fireplace. Keep in mind that my software is old, so you're gonna have to use your imagination. And the island here in the kitchen also needs to be fixed, but I just slapped this together so you have an idea how things look. And the middle of the house is open concept kind of thing, and it's also vaulted, so it gives you the appearance of that the house is a little bit bigger than it actually what it is. So I'm gonna jump around here and show you different point of views, vantage points of how this looks. So see, you got a big window in the kitchen because you guys know I like that. And look at all those cabinets. To the right of the fridge right there, that's a pantry. So you have plenty of room basically to store your dried goods and all random things for the kitchen. And that's kind of how it looks here. So everyone is connected. You got a dining room in the middle of the house. And you got that little wall dividing and kind of giving you privacy for that bathroom, so it's not out all in the open. That's kind of what both of those people, the lady and the person she hired, they wanted to do something like that. So I put that bathroom behind a wall, and you can see that in the floor plan if you pause it. See, so this is the main bathroom, I guess, where the kids can, that's also a linen closet right there in the hallway. So double sink for the kids, cabinets from floor to ceiling for additional storage. Kids can brush their teeth and get to school. Window in the bathroom, because you guys know me and windows in the bathroom, I love that. Toilet, kind of privacy separated with storage above it, and a little tub there. And the door here, you can change that to a pocket door, sliding door, however you want it, if you don't like that kind of a door that I put in. So this is the bathroom, and see, we're gonna go into the bedroom right here. So it's a double closet, full length of the room, so it's a bunch of storage for a kid. You can also put one of those IKEA beds where you have storage underneath it. And then you got the computer desk right there that you see with storage on top of that. Storage to the left in that night medicine cabinet, not medicine cabinet, but the nightstand. So storage everywhere. And see, this side of the house has flat ceilings, which you can easily change that. And I'll show you that when we get to the other side of the house, which the other side is vaulted. And see, this is the other bedroom. 2 windows for cross ventilation and natural light coming in. This one doesn't have that storage, so you can see the difference, I guess. And a big window, egress window, so you can get out in case of emergency. Once again, double doors for the closet. That's kind of like a corner thing that I'm showing you here for storage next to that pantry. And this is the vaulted master bedroom. Some of you guys might not like this because the bedroom doesn't have a connected master bathroom to it, but you'll see what I did there, and we'll get there in a second. But see, you got the kind of like an office on each side of the bed, his and her closet on both sides of the room. And see, that's where we're gonna go next, right where I'm waving the mouse. And this view is kind of cool. That's where the bathroom is. So some of you guys might not like it, some people might like it, but I like how this came out because you got the little bench right there. You can put your shoes underneath, coat rack right there, more storage on top of that. So if you got guests coming over, this is where people can put their coats. And you can hide this with a wall, or you can put like a closet rod and put some kind of a fabric over it. That stackable washer dryer and a furnace that's right there, so you can easily hide that. I just left it exposed so you can see what's what. See, double vanity, big mirror, a 4x4. Actually, this shower was a little bit more than 4x4, so it had to be custom made with tile, but it's going to basically have room for both of you guys to get in there. And a double vanity with 2 sinks. We're gonna go into the garage right now. By the way, that bathroom also had a window, if you saw. And the garage is 12 feet by 20. So like I said, it's not big, but it'll fit a car in there easily. Like a Toyota Camry or Honda Accord is about 16 feet long. So you have a little bit of room spared on each side once you get in there. So we're gonna go inside now. Outside. And once again, use your imagination, because my software is really, really old, but you kind of see what I'm trying to do. You got a covered deck area, porch, with a fireplace outside, so you can enjoy the fire while it's raining. And you guys can, have some fun out there, play some games. You can arrange the furniture anywhere you want it. You can put a table here instead of the outside sofas I put in. So you can pretty much do whatever you want. This is another view. See, so you're in the kitchen and you can see what's going on outside. You can also see the fireplace from the kitchen and a patio door. That's how the house looks on the outside. So see, it's a very simple design. You can save money by not doing that outside area. And all it is, it's a rectangle. And that's how I design my homes, because that's how you keep costs down. Anytime you get crazy with other than rectangles, the floor plan for the foundation and everything else, it just gets more expensive because it's complicated. So rectangles and squares are going to be the cheapest way to build, and going up to the second story is also cheaper to build than excavating and grading and all that stuff for the foundation. So keep that in mind as well. I don't know why the color shifts here a little bit, but that's a dollhouse view, so you can kind of see how this stuff looks from the top. 1,300 square feet and a garage. That's the framing diagram. You can have an idea how crazy that looks. Once you do this for a living, like a contractor like me, this is what we envision in our heads. It's weird how our brains work, I guess, because we can see this kind of stuff before we even get started. This is the 3D view, the X-ray view kind of thing, the glass house. So you can kind of peek behind the walls, how things look. That's the water heater right there in the corner. Can you see it? So that's where the water heater would be, in the closet. That closet right there. Since there's 2 closets on each side of that room in the master. So you guys can have individual closets, and it's whole length of the room, so it's a big closet. And so you can put a window in that, in the bedroom. You can look at your car. So I think it's a decent design. The only thing that I know people are going to comment on is that bathroom, which I understand it, but I personally wouldn't have an issue with it because it's like 16 feet away or something like that. It's nothing crazy. But some people won't like it. But that's the beauty of designing. You can alter and change whatever you want if you don't like it. See, that's the other bathroom, window, toilet in the corner. I like this view. I don't know why. See, this is what she sent me. The measurements were kind of off on certain things, and this is what she sent me that she put together, because the other drawing was done by somebody else. And this is what I basically did. So you can see the one side of the house has the bedrooms with the bathroom. So that's, the kids can be on that side. Then you got the middle separating everything, the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. And then their living quarters, I guess, is on the right side of the house with the garage, and then the washer, dryer, and the other bathroom. So you can put doors, sliding doors, double doors, like the French doors for that area on the right side of the house. So you can get creative. You can pretty much do whatever you want. If you look at this, you can see where the water heater is on the right side of the house in his and her closet. So that master has 2 closets on each side. And same thing, if you get the IKEA bed, you can put the storage underneath the bed, the pull-out shelves. Everything here I usually design around Home Depot and Lowe's. So you can buy all the materials, cabinets, everything at Home Depot and Lowe's. It's nothing custom, nothing crazy. All the cabinets would be cheap if you get it from off the shelf, and on all the materials. So no gimmicks, just a simple rectangle of a house. To build this, I don't know how much it would be because it all depends on the finishes, but maybe $110, $120, $130 a square foot. It just all depends what your taste is and what kind of materials you put in here. So there you go. Thank you for watching.